Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to hard reset Sony MHC-V13 Party Speaker. So be sure you stay throughout the whole video so you don't miss any steps. Hope you will like this video and subscribe to my channel Tutorial Lore. Let's go for how to hard reset Sony MHC-V13 Party Speaker in just few steps. First, these speaker are party speaker, and there is a lot of crowd in the party due to which heat occurs, so you have to reset. Now, first you have to plug out the speaker from the boards and then press on the power off or on button and hold it for 50 seconds and it automatically gets hard reset. And if this not works, try disconnecting first your Bluetooth and then press again on Sony party speakers and then hold it for 50 seconds. And done, your Sony speaker automatically get in hard reset mode. So this all in today's video. Hope you must have understood that how to hard reset Sony MHC-V13 Party Speaker. In very easy steps, there is no easier way than this. If you still don't understand anything, then you can comment. I will definitely reply to you or make a video on your topic. Hit the like button and press the subscribe, drop a comment. Thanks.